We are in Mira 4. I'm going to show you a 3-bedroom plus made type 3M. This is the entrance. We are here. You step into the house, you have a big hall. So this is your dining area and the living area together. It's a kind of a square shaped living hall, and a very neat artificial grass landscape is done. So you see a garden, a very simple, and it's a single row. I'll show you from upstairs. It is facing Mira Oasis. So this is the entrance, the stairs, and the powder room. There is a storage inside the powder room and a semi-closed kitchen. So this is the powder room and the storage you see. Here we have a laundry space, and on the right hand side we have a very decent sized kitchen with a dark wood interior. As you can see, there is a window also, which gives you a bright light into the kitchen. A laundry space, and on our left hand side we have the maid's room with its own attached washroom. And the cupboard. I'll show you now. Upstairs there are 3 rooms. So you come up, you see on our right hand side we have the master room with attached washroom plus a balcony. Here we have a walk-in closet and spacious washroom with a bathtub. So this was I was talking about the garden. You see the good size of the garden, plus the view is Mira Oasis side. It's a single row unit. I'll show you 2 more units, 2 more rooms, sorry. This is your second room. So for the other 2 rooms we have a Jack and Jill concept. One common washroom which is connected to the other room. Here you see. Moving forward, you enter into a 3rd room. If you are interested in the villa, please do contact me. Thank you.